In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Mailchimp to automate your workflows and enhance your email marketing efforts. Let's dive right in. First, let's navigate over to the Zapier homepage. You'll want to open your browser and head to the Zapier website. Once you're there, you're going to look for the option to create a new automation, which Zapier refers to as a zap. It's like setting up a mini program that tells your apps to perform specific functions automatically based on triggers. Next, you'll click on the Zap button to begin creating your automation. This is where we start configuring the steps in the process, beginning with establishing a trigger. Triggers are specific events that initiate actions within your Zap. In this case, our trigger is going to involve an activity in Mailchimp. Now, in the search field, you'll need to type in Mailchimp. As it appears in the dropdown, go ahead and select Mailchimp to set it as the service where the trigger will originate. Once selected, you'll have the opportunity to choose the specific event to act as your trigger. Click on Choose an Event, and from the options provided, select Email Opened. What we're doing here is telling Zapier that we want the action to occur whenever an email sent from Mailchimp is opened by a recipient. This is a fantastic way to follow up automatically or track engagement with your email campaigns. Next, we'll need to connect our Mailchimp account to Zapier. Click on Connect Mailchimp. You may be prompted to sign into your Mailchimp account, granting Zapier permission to access your data so it can trigger events accordingly. If a dialog box appears asking you to continue with Google, go ahead and grant the necessary permissions. After successfully connecting your Mailchimp account, you'll continue to the next step by clicking on Configure. Here you can choose values for the campaign and set other configurations as needed. If you want your Zap to target specific campaigns or data points, this is where you'll make that selection. Now go ahead and type in Highlight as necessary to specify further what actions your Zap should focus on. Once that is done, it's time to test your setup. By clicking on Test, you ensure everything runs smoothly and according to plan before officially deploying your Zap. Finally, you'll click on Test Trigger to run a final test. This step confirms that the trigger is correctly set up and able to detect the event you've specified. In this case, an email being opened in Mailchimp. Performing these tests is crucial to confirm that everything is in proper working order. And there you have it. You've just created a Zap that uses the email opened event in Mailchimp as a trigger, paving the way for endless possibilities in automating responses, notifications, or further actions to better engage with your audience. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and happy automating.